No companion. Turn 3 giant. No, that's too slow. Is it too slow? They go first, so I may already be dead by the time I can play Bone Crusher Giant. On the other hand, maybe not. No, I can't keep that. That looks better. Glad I mulliganed. So which one goes down? Ooh, that's tough. Borrow or Beast? Borrow or Beast? Which one do I like more? Do I want the Borrow? Do I want the Beast? I want the Beast. Keep 6. And now I totally regret that I put the Borrow down. Anyways, everything is going to be fine. Play the Triumph first. Then I can turn 2 Clover into turn 3 Heart's Desire. Are they now representing a negate? Or a quench even? What do I care more about, the Clover or the Innkeeper? Actually, I care more about the Innkeeper, so let's play a land, play the Clover, they quench it, and then I can play the Innkeeper next turn unmolested. Fairy Banner? What? Yeah, sure. Oh, is this like a Azorius flyer, all that glitters, something something? Still, I still wish I had the Borrower. Oh well. I'm going to play the Mountain, I'm going to play the Beanstalk Giant and get green, and then I play Heart's Desire and Innkeeper. And then in next turn I get Last Strike Beast, that turn after Beanstalk Giant. Sure. Does Fair Fishes change anything? I'm still going to Last Strike Beast. When does it get a counter? When you draw your second card. Okay, if I now Last Strike Beast and then next turn I can... Okay, this play is tapped. Oh, fantastic. Ah, I should have played this untapped then. Never mind. Innkeeper. That's quite an army. Okay, so new plan. I'm going to play this land. I'm going to wish for a sweeper and 2 sweeper actually. Oh yeah, actually, yeah, 2 sweeper. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, and one of them I can even play this turn already. Let's see first if that stuff resolves. I mean, one of them will resolve. Didn't I flame sweep? There we go. 2 damage to each creature except creatures I control with flying. This one. And this one. But, oh, am I going to be super greedy now? If I play Fae of Wishes now, that would give them... I mean, I can't kill this anyways. So if I play Fae of Wishes now, I can still draw 2 more cards. Yeah, let's be greedy. Greed is good, isn't it? Was it though? I mean, I suppose I can just go smashing with the small ones, because I'm going to sweep next turn anyways, most likely. So... Three, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, sure, run more stuff in my sweeper. Ooh. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That was good. I did not see that one coming. Okay, I have to block this one, obviously. Nice. Very nice. See, greed was bad. I told you greed was bad. Should have sweeped. Sweep or weep? Ha, I'm so funny.